Well, we're getting ready for another road trip. And it's always good to know who's beside you when you're going down the road. So yeah, I'm back in the Kia. So we're going to be changing out the driver's side rear view mirror. How hard is it to do that? We're about to find out, because we're loving the real world. The problem is, this mirror, there's something that catches it right here on the bottom side, and it's no longer doing that. So we're just going to take the easy way out and change out the whole thing. What do you think? Okay, my tool of choice on this one is going to be I believe it's a Zaxby's plastic fork. Let's see if this works. I believe that did. I believe it worked. We'll find out in a little bit. Now we're going to take a 10mm socket and try to loosen these things up. For some reason this one has a cap on it. None of the other ones do. Oh well. Slide that off. And this right here has a little bitty latch down right there. I wonder if it's got one under the bottom. That just undoes like that. I'll take the bottom two off first and the top one last. That way I can hold the mirror outside. I don't know why, but maybe we won't drop it. And I believe we have to get all of this slid out. Gotta push those two little plastic things in. I'm looking for the big easy button. Boom.
That was easy.
Okay, we're planning on using this Cool View original equipment style replacement mirror we got off the Amazon website, and we'll place a link below, and if you could use that little link if you need to order one of these. Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing on the hood. Okay, I wouldn't do this on Camaro with Thunderbird, but for some reason I'm doing it on the Kia. Alrighty now. Looks like there's a little ramp here. So it's daggum close, it looks like it. The original, the new one. Got little protectors on the screws, so I'm going to take those off. And it doesn't have that little centerpiece there the other one had, so that's interesting. That's one thing that's different. assuming that these don't have to be too awful tight. I mean, it's 3 bolts holding up one little mirror, so I don't know if there's a torque spec on this or not. I'm just thinking, say, let's just get it tight. Okay, let's see if they fold up. That looks like that works. Now let's see if we can make the mirror work. Well, it looks like we're in business. What do you think? Let's see if we can get the little beauty trim back on it. Oh, let's see what happened. We got to put that on. There it goes. Just has to be a little persuasive with it. Okay, one thing I don't like about it, this one's black. And let's see, the other one is, I guess, burnt cherry, I think. I don't know what it's called. There's something. It's not black. Let's see what we can do about that. I guess we also need to check the blinkers. Looks like that works too. Okay, hopefully we can get this one off and replace it with the original. So I'm going to start in this corner over here with a little thin metal ruler. And then just going to go around the edge a little bit. Well, I understand you do the same thing with the factory one also. So I'm just loving the real world right now. Go around the bottom here. You can use a little plastic card or something like that. I hope this works. We gotta do the top side here. Probably should have done this before I put it on. I want to make sure it worked before I did anything else. I guess it's that easy. You get it the right port and it goes there. Now let's just hope the other one pops back on. We don't know. Hey, it's just as dirty as it was before we started. That's amazing. Maybe some bug cleaner to clean it up. Well, I guess that's it for this portion of Loving the Real World. I hope you come back with us next time. We're probably going to be on a trip next time. So, hope to see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.